Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do the next portion of the chapter energy. So it was left in our previous class, nuclear energy in types of energy. So see, what is nuclear energy? You know what is nucleus, or that is, we know matter and atom. The smallest particle of atom is the matter is atom. Smallest particle of a matter is atom. Now it is consisting of electron, proton and neutron. This can be split up and you can do collision between two atoms, and lots of energy can be produced by the collision or by the splitting up of atom. So huge amount of energy given out by the sun is due to the fusion together of atom inside it. Nuclear power plants produces electricity by splitting atom. Next thing we are going to learn, that is energy transformation. Now basic energy is the solar energy that converted into chemical energy during the photosynthesis. Okay, but what happened after then? We are using lots of types of energy. How these are coming? These are coming by converting them each other. Okay, so some examples. See, you cannot get warm by sitting next to a pile of wood. It is not possible unless and until you are burning them. Okay, or you are sitting beside the pile of a dry paper. If you are burning them, then the heat will generate, you will get that much of it. So some energy transformation that we see around us. One, when a ball roll uphill, the kinetic energy of the ball is converted into potential energy. Why potential? Because at the top of the position it will stop, so it will convert it into potential energy at that moment, and then again it will start falling down. Then again that potential energy will be converted into the kinetic energy. Next, light energy is converted into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. You know this thing. Now plants use light to make their own food. They store excess food in various plant spores which are eaten by humans and animals. You may have seen solar cells mounted above street light. These types of cell. Solar cells converted light energy into electric energy. Okay, steam engine use chemical energy contained in coal to produce steam by boiling water. The heat energy of the steam is then converted into kinetic energy when the steam engine moves. Have you ever seen steam engine like train that is not running with the help of electricity? In our time it was there, so we have seen it. Loudspeaker, what it do? It converts electrical energy into sound energy. Battery powered toy cars convert chemical energy in their batteries to kinetic energy. Now this you know. Electric bulbs convert electrical energy into heat and light energy. Okay, that's why we get light, and also the bulb gets heated after some time. When it is giving light, after some time if you touch it, you can feel that it is very much heated. Electric fans converted electrical energy into the kinetic energy. That's why it can run. Okay, it can generate the wind. Electromagnets converts electrical energy into magnetic energy. The battery in a mobile phone needs to be charged. Why? Because it converts that electrical energy into chemical energy. Some other examples are also given here. See, television, what happened in electrical energy? It converted into light and sound energy. Telephone, from sound energy, electrical energy back and to sound at the other end of the phone. Okay, solar cell, light energy to electrical energy. Okay, geyser and toaster, electrical energy into heat energy. We get heat in geyser, that's why the water get heated. Okay, the toaster get heated. How? That electrical energy converted into heat energy. This also happens in heater also. Washing machine and grinder. What happened here? Electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. That's why it can run. Okay, cells of battery, it is given here. Chemical energy into electrical energy. Charging of battery, what happens here? Electric energy, again chemical energy. Okay, burning of wood, chemical into heat and light. In a fireplace, chemical wood. Okay, during the winter we do this thing. Windmill, mechanical energy into electrical energy. So for today, this is the thing. These are very interesting thing. Go through it, learn it. Thank you, class.